Hi everyone, Ken here with Quality Sewing and Vacuum. I wanted to talk to you today about a very good line of cleaning products that we carry at all of our stores called Kleenco. Kleenco is a company that's actually made here in Everett, Washington. And I'm going to talk about some of the premium products that we carry in their line. First of all, I'm going to talk about Kitty Scram. So Kitty Scram is a product they make to eliminate dog and cat urine odors. It is amazing. It won't just cover up the odor and make it smell like roses or anything like that. It will actually eliminate the odor that is in the carpet. The other purposes for this is you can actually use this on kids' jammies or blankets. If you have a child at home or a grandchild that comes visits and has an accident, when you go to put that clothes in the laundry, just put a cap or so full of this right in there and it will actually eliminate the urine odors. Another great purpose for this is if you have teenagers at home that are out running around and doing soccer and whatever else, and they've got their gym clothes on and they get all sweaty. Another great time to put this in the laundry and eliminate those bad odors. And Kitty Scram, you can use it straight or you can dilute it down. You can actually dilute this and put it in like a spray bottle with some water and clean the outside of the toilet bowl with it and those types of things. So Kitty Scram is a fantastic product. It is just great for eliminating any kind of urine odors or any really bad odors at all. The next thing I want to talk about is I'm going to talk about Pet Out. So Pet Out kind of goes along with Kitty Scram. So a lot of times if you have a dog or cat that had an accident on the carpet, you try to go get it clean, you kind of have that yellowy stain left, it's hard to get that out of the carpet. Well, Pet Out will actually help eliminate the yellowy stains that are left on the carpet. So it's not anything to do with the odor. They actually will go back to the Kitty Scram for that. But for those stains, real stubborn stains on the carpet, this works great. It also will work on coffee and tea and other different items that will make that color of stain on your carpet. So Pet Out is a really fantastic spot remover for a specific kind of stain. We have a general spot remover that we use called Effortless. I really like Effortless for a lot of reasons. You'll use this straight, just the way it is. And if you just have a general type of stain on your carpet, maybe somebody walked in and brought in a little mud or a little grease or what have you, you can take this, put it in a spray bottle, or just take the cap off, put a little bit on your carpet. Now the best way to clean a stain on the carpet is to never use a brush. Always use like a spatula or a wooden spoon, some sort of hard plastic edge that you can go back and forth on the carpet. What that will do is it will help agitate the carpet fibers and get this solution down into the nap of the carpet so it will loosen the stain. Then you take a towel and you blot it. You can even step on it with your foot and that will help pull the stain back out of the carpet for you. So anytime you use a brush on the carpet, it looks like you had a stain there and you used a brush on it. So try to use something more like a spatula or a plastic vacuum tool you might have on your vacuum cleaner. This is also, again, great for laundry. You can use this product all the time if you get a spot on your shirt or if you drop some spaghetti on you, whatever. You can spray your clothes, put this in the laundry, and it works great as an all-purpose stain remover. Some of the other products we carry with them is we have Carpet Bright. So Carpet Bright is an extraction carpet shampoo. So let's say you have an extraction carpet machine at home. You go, well, Ken, what is that exactly? Well, that's going to be a carpet shampooer that will spray water on the floor and have a vacuum that sucks it back up. That would be like a Hoover or a Bissell, a Dirt Devil, Royal, one of those machines. If you have one of those machines, this is actually safe to use in it. And it's very, very concentrated. You only use just a little bit in with your water solution for your carpet extractor. Also, you can take this and you can dilute it down and spray a little bit of an area like a hallway and let it sit there for a minute and then go over and shampoo it. And that will help actually loosen the dirt on the carpet fibers. So you want to give it about 3 minutes or so, 3 to 4 minutes, and that will really help you clean. The nice thing about Carpet Bright is it's a lot less expensive than the factory brand shampoos. And this is safe in your machine and it will not void the warranty on your machine. One of my favorites and most popular is called our Shower Clean. Shower Clean is not your typical scrub and bubbles type of cleaner, okay? This is if you have a shower door that maybe should have been cleaned a long time ago and hasn't, and it's got quite a big buildup of film or hard water on it, or if your shower is looking really kind of dingy and yellow, this product is amazing. Now you can't spray this product, okay? So you would want to take this and put it in a bucket with some water and use a sponge and put it on your shower or on your bathtub and let it sit for a few minutes. Scrub it with your sponge and scrub pad and then rinse it off. On shower doors, it's amazing. I don't know if you've ever cleaned your shower doors. You get out, come back an hour later once the window's all dry and it still looks kind of filmy. Use this. It will take off most all of that hard water and all of the soap scum that gets built up on shower doors. It's a fantastic product. We have a lot of great luck with this, and our customers love this product. One of the other items we have is PK200. So PK200 is kind of like your 409 or your all-purpose cleaner. But what I love about this product is, first of all, it's concentrated, so you can dilute this down. If you have a spray bottle like this, you put about that much PK200 in it, put the rest with water, put a spray top on it, and it is a fantastic all-purpose cleaner. It is really great on top of your stove after you've cooked some pasta and you have some spaghetti sauce all over it, and you must tell I like pasta, I keep mentioning it. But it's really great for cleaning the surfaces of that, all the grease and things of that nature. Anything you want to clean with this, it works super good. It's very, very economical to use. It's just been a really great product for us, and it doesn't leave any film. That's the most important thing. You can spray it and it's not going to leave a film on your surface that you cleaned with. And then finally, if you're not really sure which one you'd want, we have these really great sample packets. And we put these sample packets together, and this sample packet is really, it's going to be designed for the people that have the carpet extractors and have pets or things like that. So in our sample packet, we have a pint of the pet out, we have the kitty Scram that I talked about earlier, we have Effortless, and we also have carpet shampoo. So you can get all of that in a really nice, easy carry handle. And the nice thing about it with Quality Sewing is this product here, like I mentioned earlier, is locally made here in Everett, Washington. It is a very great industrial cleaning product that we can use at the home also. Give us a call or go on our website, and we would be happy to send this directly to your house for you.